A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is human purpose, generating and sharing energy with joy. Ladies and gentlemen, across the infinite canvas of existence, everything is a pulse of energy. Stars igniting, rivers flowing, trees breathing, and thoughts forming. Human life emerges within this vast symphony, not as a separate note, but as a conscious instrument capable of sensing, shaping, and uplifting the very field from which it arises. Within this realization rests a timeless purpose to generate meaningful energy and share it with joy, enriching the shared journey of life. Modern science describes the universe as a woven network of vibrating fields. Ancient wisdom speaks of a cosmos sustained by consciousness and subtle forces. Though separated by ages, both arrive at the same insight. Energy is the essence of all that exists. Human beings are uniquely designed to interact with this essence. The brain, a marvel of electrical impulses and biochemical communication, works as an exquisite generator, regulator, receiver, and transmitter of energy. Every thought carries a frequency. Every emotion releases a distinct resonance. Every action sends ripples across the collective human field. This personal energy system draws its power from 5 dynamic sources: physical energy, grounding and sustaining the body's vitality; mental energy, shaping clarity, imagination, and understanding; emotional energy, influencing harmony, empathy, and connection; spiritual energy, aligning inner awareness with higher intelligence; aspirational energy, guiding growth, purpose, and direction. When these energies move in coherence, a quiet alignment forms. The mind steadies, the heart softens, intent becomes purposeful, actions become luminous. In such a state, human beings naturally begin to generate energy that uplifts themselves and others. Aspirations remain personal, shaped by one's experiences, talents, and dreams. Yet, the deeper purpose beneath all aspirations is universal: to create constructive energy and allow it to flow outward for the good of all. Energy shared with sincerity multiplies. A warm gesture eases a burden. A wise perspective opens a doorway. A courageous act strengthens an entire environment. What begins within one person becomes nourishment for many. In the subtle order of the cosmos, such shared energy becomes a quiet offering, a recognition of belonging to something greater. Life often responds to this offering with invisible support, timely clarity, unseen protection, and pathways that unfold with surprising grace. These are not rewards but reflections of living in harmony with the design of existence. What's the way forward? The way forward becomes luminous when energy is shaped consciously. This unfolds through simple practices: honoring the body as an instrument of life, nurturing clarity in thought, cultivating emotional balance, anchoring in inner stillness, and allowing aspirations to move without strain or comparison. Generate energy through meaningful intent, share it through gentle action. Let joy be the natural fragrance accompanying every offering, transforming ordinary moments into expressions of purpose. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when human life becomes a continual flow of generating energy and sharing it with joy, it rises into alignment with the cosmic rhythm. Such alignment brings clarity to the mind, serenity to the heart, and silent advancement to the soul. It turns existence into a journey of contribution, harmony, and quiet fulfillment. In the resounding words of Lord Krishna in the revered Bhagavad Gita, lift the self by the self. It is a timeless assurance that every human being carries the inner power to rise, to radiate, and to enrich the world. When this inner light is kindled and joyfully shared, the deeper purpose of life unfolds naturally, in tune with the infinite intelligence that sustains all creation. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.